Did you know that the Taj Mahal wasn't supposed to be in Agra? The hands of the workers and architects were cut off to prevent copying the monument. This beautiful structure can change its color according to the time of the day. You're about to watch 15 amazing facts about Taj Mahal, so watch till the end. Before watching this video, give a like, subscribe to Bright Champs and hit the notification icon for more updates. The Taj Mahal is one of the world's recognizable monuments in Agra, India, and is known to hold the most powerful and famous testimonies of love. Its history is indeed much more fascinating than we all have been hearing for years. These amazing facts will give you plenty of reasons to plan your trip to the Taj Mahal right away. It took 22 years for the Taj Mahal to get constructed. Emperor Shah Jahan spent nearly 32 million rupees on the construction, and today the amount would be close to $1 billion. Materials from India and Asia were used for the construction. Around 1,000 elephants were used to transport the construction material. It can be observed that the four pillars of minarets are tilted outwards rather than being straight. It is constructed to protect the main tomb from being damaged with the falling of minarets on it on natural calamities like earthquakes. It is believed that the hands of the workers were cut off to make sure that no such monument was ever built again. Don't worry, cause it's a hoax. Ustad Ahmad Lahori, who was the supervisor of the architect team, also laid the foundation for the Red Fort. The foundation of the Taj Mahal is made of timber, and it would have collapsed if it wasn't on the Yamuna bank. Yes, its timber is not supposed to be long-lasting, but the Yamuna River has kept the wood strong and moist over the years. The design of the Taj Mahal is a combination of Indian, Persian and Islamic traditions. The marble stones used were brought from different regions and countries. The translucent white marble was bought from Makrana, a well-known place for marbles in Rajasthan. The jade and crystal from China, jasper from Punjab, lapis lazuli from Afghanistan, cornelia from Arabia, and turquoise from Tibet. The Taj Mahal's original gardens include abundant daffodils, roses and fruit trees. It was then changed by the British according to their liking, which resembled the lawns of London. Did you know that Agra was not supposed to be the actual site for the Taj Mahal? Yes, you heard it right. It was to be built in Burhanpur, Madhya Pradesh, where Mumtaz died. But Burhanpur couldn't supply enough white marble, so the final decision was to build the Taj Mahal in Agra. Lord Curzon's name is inscribed on a lamp inside the Taj Mahal. It weighs 60 kilograms, is made of copper, and is placed under one of the royal gates. The beautiful calligraphy works were taken from the Al-Quran, and the tomb contains 99 different names of Allah as calligraphic inscriptions. The Taj changes its color depending on the amount of light and time. It would appear pinkish in the morning, milky white in the evening, and golden in the moonlight. The UNESCO World Heritage classified the Taj Mahal as one of the 7 wonders of the world in 2007, having received over 100 million votes. It is believed during the Sepoy Rebellion of 1857 that some British soldiers laid their hands on the precious and semi-precious stones from the walls of the tomb. The Taj Mahal seemed to be turning yellow due to air pollution. Only electric vehicles are allowed near the surrounding areas, and aircrafts are forbidden to fly over the Taj Mahal, making it a no-fly zone. The Taj Mahal was concealed by the Archaeological Survey of India during World War II. It was covered with a huge scaffold which made it appear like a stockpile of bamboo. If you have learned something new from this video, give a like, subscribe to Bright Champs, and hit the notification icon for more updates. Well, that's the end of today's video. Have you visited the Taj Mahal? How was your experience? Is it a wonderful monument? Do mention your suggestions in the comments section below. We'll see you in the next video.